researchers are studying the rapidly evolving Mpox virus, particularly its genomic accordion regions, to understand how it transmits and potentially develop better prevention strategies in the face of ongoing outbreaks. President Mohammad Muizzu of the Maldives, backed by his ruling People's National Congress, secured a significant parliamentary majority, reshaping the legislature and signaling a shift towards closer ties with China while fulfilling campaign promises such as the withdrawal of Indian military presence. The global economy is recovering, but the gap between rich and poor countries is widening, with the poorest nations struggling to recover from the pandemic and needing more support from wealthier countries. A recent plunge in household savings in India has sparked concerns about the nation's economic health. This analysis delves into the reasons behind the decline, exploring how it might impact household debt, consumption patterns, and ultimately, stable economic growth. To prevent commercial organ trade, especially involving foreigners, India's health ministry is requiring a unique ID system for all organ transplants. India's net direct tax collections exceeded the 2023 to 2024 target, driven by a surge in personal income tax collections, while corporate tax contributions dipped slightly. India faces a critical juncture, needing to adapt to water scarcity and climate change. The author emphasizes that managing these challenges requires a comprehensive approach recognizing the interconnectedness of water, food, and energy systems. This integrated strategy is crucial for building a sustainable and resilient economy. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands administration's decision to create wildlife sanctuaries threatens to displace indigenous communities and ignores their traditional land management practices, raising concerns about conservation efforts that disregard the rights of the very people who have protected these lands for generations. The urgency for climate action demands a rapid transition to renewable energy, but India's ambitious goals raise concerns. This article explores the potential pitfalls of large-scale solar parks, highlighting the need for development models that prioritize both environmental sustainability and social justice.